Hello guys, once again welcome back to your big guy channel. In this video we will talk about day, week, date, Excel functions mostly you guys are not aware of. Alright, so let's get started. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, which is your big guy, do subscribe and like the video. So let's get started. The first function we have here is day. How does it work? Equals day, bracket open. Here is asking serial number. Either you can select the date, whichever you have. Like if I have this date, I can select and bracket close. So this will give me 12. Means here in this date, 12 is the day, 4 is the month, 2022 is the year. So it gives me day. All right. So hope you understood. If not, let's go one more. Equals day. I can put even now the formula, bracket open, bracket close. So this is how it will give me now. Means today's date, it's 20th. All right, so it's 20th June, so it give me today's date. Let's talk about days function. It says end date then start date. So basically you need to select two dates. This end date, this is start date. So it will give me how many days are there between those two dates. So it's here, it gives this number basically, but I will change it to general, so it changes as 487 days. So between those two days, those two dates, there are 487 days. All right, the third function we have is days 360. Means the year of 360 it will calculate instead of 365, so it will give plus 35. Let's say days 360. All right, this function, it says end date start date is the same thing, so I will say start date and I will say end date. Method is optional if you want to put or not, doesn't matter. Enter. It says 480 days. So it gives me 7 days less, as I said earlier. All right. Now let's talk about the next function is date. How this function works, equals date. Year, month, and day. If you want to know the today's date, for example, if I will put 2023 is the year, month is going on June, which is 6, and day is 20th. All right, so this is how it will give me the actual format what is in my computer. So if in case ever you need to know that what a date format is there in your computer, you can just use the function date also. Next we have hour. This function is very good also to know hour, how many. The serial number, you can select either the date or you can simply type now, means bracket open, bracket close. All right, so it will give me 17 hours, means it's 5 o'clock, 17 hours, because it takes us 24 hours time. Now let's talk about the minutes. How many minutes are here after, equals now bracket open, bracket close, one more bracket close, press enter. 16 minutes. So right now is 5:16 is the time. All right, now I have next function is week number. Means sometimes we need to know that which week is going on right now. So week number is the function which works here. Week number, you can put simply the serial number, or you can simply put now. Again one more time. Okay, so which is the week number is going on currently is 25th. So the week number is going on here is 25th. This has changed the minute because it's 5:17 now. It's been 1 minute. I'm still working on this video. All right, so guys, if you haven't watched until now, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are many more videos coming up like this. All right, next we have function now. Now gives you the exact day today or exact time right now. What is the time? Date and time. All right, so it gives both date and time right now. So if you ever need to know date and time, you can just simply use the function now, bracket open, bracket close. Same function works as today, which is for the date. Enter. So here is your date, 26, 20, 23, 17, 18 is the time. And next function we talk about is the month. So which month is going on, if you need to know in Excel, you can use this function. This is how it works. So this is the 6th month, means June is working. Before I move to day-to-day function, I will talk about this day. So there are time you might think that you have put all those functions in place, but how do you know what day is today? So simply for that matter, you can type here the formula is today, bracket open, bracket close. press enter. It will give me Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. How did it work? Let me show you one more time here. So first of all, you need to go to your formatting, go to customs, remove from general and put 4 times D here, okay, and press OK. Now if you put equals, now it gives me Tuesday's one. All right, so this is how you can get the day. Now going on to the next function, which is Datedif. Before that, I can show you some shortcut. Control and semicolon, you press, you get the date. Control Shift semicolon, you press, you get the time. All right, so these are the 2 shortcuts. Last function we have left here is Datedif. So how does it work? All right, between Datedif, it calculates the days, years or months, whatever you wish to calculate between 2 dates. So first you need to select first date, second date, comma, in double quotes you need to type Y for year. Okay, so it will give me how many years are there between those two dates. So it is just 1 year. Okay, you can also add up here, like open the formula, you can put here and it can give you years like this. All right, close. So it's 1 year. Okay, now 1 year is there, but there is no space between 1 year. So how you do that? Go here, press a space, go here, press a space, press enter. So here you are, space. If you want, instead of year you want month, you can change it to month, put M, and here you put month. Okay, so you got 16 months. Now if you want to know days, how many days are there, instead of M put D and you remove it to make it days. You got 487 days, which is also here. Now there is one more thing I want to tell you in this video only. Let me delete this so it's easier. Okay, so Datedif function, if you want it to all together also it works. How? Datedif, bracket open, first date, comma, second date, comma, in double quotes Y for year, bracket close, and parenthesis years, as I mentioned earlier, but here you need to put a space, years. You can also join here and Datedif again the same thing you need to do, comma, this one, comma, here you need to put month for M for the month and bracket close, and here you need to put again end and parenthesis months. So it gives everything all together. All right, so this is how. And Datedif, you can see the formula, I hope. And then again you need to select the same thing here, this comma, this date, comma, for days you need to put D inside all quotes, bracket close, and parenthesis days, space, parenthesis, and bracket close. Should be 3 times. So here you are, 1 year, 16 months and 487 days. All right, so this is how it works. Here in the months I didn't put any space here, so let's see. Now as you see, 1 year, 16 months, 487 days. So hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, please do subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.